Hi everyone, and welcome to Wizardry Workshop. Today we'll be playing with perler beads and making some house crest creations. First, I want to show you how you can design your own. When creating the pattern template we've shared with you in the video post, I first had to draw them out. I found some images I liked online, but they were way too big, so I'm going to scale them down using graph paper and markers and house colors. And then I just colored in the squares on the graph paper to represent each perler bead. What I'm coloring in now is just a copy of what I made earlier as an example. It actually took much longer to get the bead placement just right to make the pattern templates that you can see here. To start making, we'll need square pegboards and perler beads and house colors. I'm starting with Slytherin since that's my house. One square on the pattern equals one perler bead. You'll just lay down the beads to match the pattern. Now I'll quickly show you Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and Gryffindor. The last step is to iron, which will melt the beads just enough to stick them together. For this we need parchment paper, an iron, and either an ironing mat or board. Before you use the iron, make sure you have permission from an adult or an adult there to help you. You're going to start by laying a piece of parchment paper over your beads and pegboard. Now with the iron on a medium setting, you'll take the iron and smooth it over your beads slowly as to give each bead contact with the iron. You want to check the beads frequently to make sure they are melting, but not melting too much. You still want to be able to see the holes in the middle of the beads. Once they've melted enough, you'll flip the perler beads over and off of the pegboard. Put the parchment paper back on and iron this side a little too, just until the beads start melting. And now they're done.